So this here is Basim's ring from Assassin's Creed Mirage. It was made by a lovely seller that reached out to me and offered to see if they can help make a cosplay accessory. And I had them help make me Basim's ring because getting the official one is just not possible to get, especially because whoever ordered a certain hundred of figures, they get this as a bonus ring. So you can find this available at their SG shop if you're looking to just get this as a cosplay or just an accessory.